Let's start with resetting the Microsoft Store. This is one of the most effective fixes. Press Windows plus R, type reset.exe and hit Enter. A black command window will open. Just wait until it closes automatically. This clears the cache of the Microsoft Store. If that doesn't solve it, follow these steps carefully. Open Settings. Go to System. Scroll down and open System Components. Find Microsoft Store, then click the three dots next to it. Choose Advanced Options. Under the Reset section, click on Repair first. If that doesn't help, click Reset. Since Microsoft Store is a system app, this is the correct place to reset it. Next, we'll reset your network settings. Right-click the Start menu and choose Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows Terminal Admin. Now type these commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. Once done, restart your PC to apply the changes. This helps fix any internet or DNS problems that may block the store connection. If the error still appears, your system files might be corrupted. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type. Wait until the scan is complete. If any issues are found and repaired, restart your PC. You can also run this command afterward. This will fix any damaged Windows components that could affect the Microsoft Store. Make sure your date, time, and region settings are correct. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time, then enable Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Incorrect settings can prevent Microsoft Store from connecting to Microsoft servers. Try restarting everything. Turn off your PC and unplug your router for about 1 minute. Then plug it back in, wait a few seconds, and turn on your PC again. This refreshes your network and can solve temporary connection issues. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. Sometimes, VPNs can interfere with Microsoft servers and cause this 0x8007003B error.